Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to try and get a network cable into the garage. So when I built the garage I laid an underground pipe, just a water pipe, but I've decided not to use the water pipe anymore. So instead I'm going to try and feed a network cable down there. It's about 25-30 meters. So I've come up with an ingenious idea of using a vacuum cleaner through this pipe. So here's the pipe, okay, and I've rigged up. I've taken one of our chicken feathers here, tied it onto some fishing line. What I'm going to do is switch on my good old Henry here, insert the feather down the other end. Hopefully that will come through all the pipe, pop out this end, and then I can tie the fishing wire onto the network cable and just pull it through. That's the plan anyway. So let's connect up the vacuum cleaner. Just put that on the pipe, nice and snug, and then we're going to turn it on. Put it on full power. Go on and go. Go. Right, stopped. Look. There's the wire. Let me just see if I can pull it out. And there's a feather. So now what we're going to do is tie the other end to the network cable, and then I can just pull it through. So I just tied the fishing line through the network cable, onto the network cable. I can see his head! I can see his head! There you go, we're through! We're through! Look at that! And that is how you put a cable through a very small water pipe. So that cable was 40 meters in length. So I've got quite a bit to play with here. So I think it's about 30 meters pulled underground. So pretty useful tip to someone there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.